Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to cancel to pay orders on AliExpress. First of all, open AliExpress application on your device, and then at the bottom access your account, and then at the top you should see section My Orders, and here tap View All button, and then go to Pay section at the top. Here you should find the order that you want to cancel, then tap on it to open its details, and there you should find the button called Cancel Order. Then you will be requested to select the reason why you want to make a cancellation. So just select one reason that fits you the best, and of course do not forget to submit your cancellation request. And then all you have to do is just wait until your money is returned to you. Usually money is returned in 3 to 20 business days depending on your payment method. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.